Hello, Dr. Drew Duquette here. Thank you for watching. I'm going to explain functional medicine within just a few minutes. This is the easiest way I have found to explain what functional medicine is and how it's different than conventional medicine. This is a tree, not a very good looking tree at that, I grant you, but everybody has a tree. And on the top part of the tree is where we house our symptoms and conditions. IBS, Crohn's, migraines, give me some more, insomnia, anxiety, depression, thyroid disorders, you kind of get the idea. Everybody has a tree. Everybody's tree is different. If you're a very ill person, you might have a very robust tree with a lot of symptoms and a lot of conditions you're contending with. If you're a healthy person, your tree may be very small or even non-existent. But everybody has a tree. All trees, as we know, have roots. These roots are toxicities, infections, food allergies, adrenal dysfunction, blood sugar irregularities, and nutritional deficiencies. Everybody's tree can be different. However, the roots that grow everybody's tree are the same. Let me repeat that. The roots that grow everybody's tree are the same. This is where medicine works. Your prescribing doctor will give you a medication to manage everything you come in there with. And none of these medications are really designed to resolve the underlying problem. They're just designed to manage the symptom or the condition. The roots, are where a functional medicine clinician, as myself and my staff, we work. We're less interested in managing the tree than we are in finding out why that tree was there to begin with. And then we resolve those roots. And all the roots are the same. The only difference between one person and another is to which extent each of these roots is contributing to their particular tree. Somebody might have toxicity and infection as their primary root, which would grow a completely different tree than somebody who had food allergies, infections, and nutritional deficiencies. But the beauty of this is that instead of chasing down the symptoms, which everybody's been doing for ages, we focus just on these roots. With our specialized testing that we do, our laboratory testing, we will leave no stone unturned in determining the exact roots that are involved in growing your particular tree. And so we start to resolve these roots, in effect, severing the roots. What happens to every tree when you sever its roots? That's correct. The tree dies. The symptoms and conditions start to vanish. That's the beauty of it. That's what functional medicine is all about. Now, a couple more things here. As you're just managing the symptoms, medications, as we get older, go up and up. Medications are always toxic to the body. So, what root would that increase in medications actually fuel very nicely once you stay on that? That's right, toxicity. The more medications you're on, the more toxic your body is and keeps that tree flourishing. So, medicating chronic disease with acute medication is not the answer to health. The answer to health is to address the underlying roots. Now let me add one more thing here. This represents rain. Rain is not a root, but rain is something that fuels or fertilizes these roots really nicely and keeps them alive. It's something we want to stay away from. Any idea what it is? Starts with an S. That's right, stress. Something we go through every day. So in our programs, in our functional medicine clinic, we do not leave this unaddressed. We will address the stress too, because we don't want to take 2 steps forward and 1 step back as we're treating the roots of the tree and killing that tree. And by the way, it doesn't matter how big the tree is. Doesn't matter how long you've had it. In other words, it doesn't matter how sick you are. It doesn't matter how many conditions you have. It's all part of the tree. Stop medicating. Start addressing the underlying roots of the tree. Treat this area with functional medicine and the tree vanishes. Doesn't matter how complex it is. Doesn't matter how long you had it. That's functional medicine in a nutshell. I want to thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. Drew Duquette.